Hi guys, need to show you in this project how to remodel car dealer building shop. You can see they tear out and demo the front side, and then they did steel structure. Okay, everything is new steel structure, and then metal stud. You can see metal studs, framing, and then 3/4 plywood. You can see how they stack it, so no continuous seam. And here you can see bar joist, steel bar joist, and metal roof decking. Front is metal, steel structure. You can see poured concrete for a slab. Here they put angle, like 2 inches times 2 inches angle at the edge of the slab. You can see everywhere. That's per drawing. And you can see the insulation over there, and metal stud, stairs inside. You can see steel structure, framing, roofing, electrical work, conduits. Here they started, you can see the waterproofing, for each at the seam and each screw. You can see the black stuff. Okay guys, that's how to do remodeling. You can see over there waterproofing for block. Steel structure, heavy gauge metal stud framing, and blocking, roofing. You can see double plywood at the top for roofing. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos. Thank you guys.